What's everyone? What's up, everyone? Long weekend. AJ here. Another episode of my options for the day. Ah, what a couple of days it's been. This is never a good sign. Um, yeah, guys. I mean, tech is down a lot. There was a bounce back on Friday, but that bounce back didn't seem to last long. I was reading some news on uh, um, why uh, why these stocks are kind of going down, and I'm hoping this is just a 3 day rule where after 3 day, give this slump 3 days or this correction 3 days, and then it tends to bounce back. I'm hoping by Friday we can bounce back here. But with that being said, this is a great opportunity for when the market is you know taking a complete dump, to learn how to still make money. I do have some puts here. Sorry about that. Oh, I do have. I just downloaded iOS 14, so I don't know how to put on Do Not Disturb. What's this? Oh, perfect. Cool. Big Sur for Mac. Yeah. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So for me, I am playing a lot of puts. I purchased a lot of puts last week. I got a put in Salesforce, which is down a ton. I got a put in Zoom, which is down a ton. A put in Nvidia. A put in Apple. A put in AMD. These are all down. The downfall, though, is I also have all these calls. So I'm probably going to sell right away. I'm going to give my 918 guys some room here to hopefully recover, because that's next Friday. We don't know what the market can do, so I'm gonna have to dissect by this Friday what I'm gonna do with these. But yeah, these puts I should be making some money off of today. I want to highly consider getting you guys to dive into puts, and to check them out and to play around with them. They are obviously they're different play than calls, but me, guys, listen. If you're watching this show, I'm more of a riskier guy. I know there's vertical spreads and all that type of stuff. I usually do vertical spreads with more like a Tesla or an Amazon. Me, I'm either all in or all out. So I'm going an all in put or an all in call, because if I'm assuming a stock's gonna go one way, and if it goes one way, it's gonna make me a good amount of money. I'm hoping these puts can help recover for all the calls that I purchased that expired this week that are completely done. But yeah, this is just some news I would maybe look into. I'm thinking about potentially riding this wave, the only positive wave I found. Nikola just closed a huge deal. Their electric car company. They're up $11 in after hours. So just gonna see what 930 brings us. This was from Friday. I actually lost an additional $2,000 on Friday, so this is like after hours, and this is after hours as well. I've just been tagging. I think beginning of last week I was at 24,000. And that's just the type of market we're in. So you got to figure out ways to make money. You got to figure out ways to come out on top. And when the market's dipping like this, I would ride the put wave. But again, I would keep in mind, I would dissect your account around the end of this week, because what goes up must come down and vice versa. What goes down must come up. So if this continues to tank, like you see here, this huge dip, for the most part, yeah, like see last week I was up here. And then, by today I'm all the way down to here. So don't get caught up in, how much money you're losing. Get caught up in your strategy. So for me, my strategy this week, I don't have much, because I just got to feel how this market's going to play out. On Friday we got a little pump fake. It started to skyrocket green again, and then 30 minutes later after open it started declining, and then it started rebounding. So again, my thing is I'm going to play these puts today. If I'm up right away in the morning, I might sell right away. Get the heck out. These calls I'm probably going to exercise right away as well. I just want to get them off my back and think of a strategy for this week. And then by 9:18, by tomorrow, I'm going to have some updates on maybe some calls or puts that I purchased. But next week, this Friday, I'm going to dissect everything. I'm going to dissect, do I keep these 9:18 stuff? If we're still going in the decline, I might have to sell some things, even though I'm already completely, I know for a fact I'm probably going to sell Blink. I know for a fact I'm probably going to sell Solo and Grow. I don't know about Apple or Microsoft, because Microsoft could buy TikTok any day, and Apple could just skyrocket any day. And Pen and Run, not so sure about yet. Got to check. Hopefully there's a bounce back. Run is in solar, but Tesla, man, I'm hoping Tesla makes a comeback for sure. But yeah, I'm probably gonna hold to 9:18 anyway, because of battery day on 9:22. I might buy an actual call for the week after 9:18 here. I think it's 9:26, because this groundbreaking technology Tesla's about to unravel is supposedly going to be insane. So I'm really excited about that, and their stock has to go up because of that. So yeah, that's my plans for today, guys. Play it safe. I would read the market. I'd try to get in on some puts maybe. Maybe, who knows, maybe this is just a half an hour reset again, and then when the market opens, and then after a half an hour, boom, it starts to skyrocket. So the market, you never know what it's going to do, guys. And I hate to see that tech is finally on the decline. But by all means, I hope this doesn't start any type of recession or anything along those lines. But it is a little alarming. But that doesn't mean I'm going to pull out all my money, right? I mean, I still think you can make good money in the market when it is declining, and that's the whole point of this. The whole point of this, this practice. So, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the show. Like I said, play some puts today. Maybe ride the Niccolo wave. If you still feel like it has some momentum, maybe it jumps up another $5 today, or it keeps running. Who knows? But also watch out. I've also been, one more thing. I'm gonna click this real quick. Peloton has earnings on 9/10. Today is the 8th. So expect theirs to kind of run a little. Yeah, expensive bike. Yeah, so they're doing some big things, and their earnings, they're supposedly potentially crushed earnings. So I might honestly, that's probably an option I'm going to buy. I'm probably going to buy a call for this week with Peloton. And I never do this, but I'm probably going to hold after earnings, because I think the earnings are going to be so good that with the market being so negative, people are just going to, dump money into Peloton for a little. And I'm hoping to catch that wave. So, but that's pretty much it for this episode, guys. You let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I will definitely keep you updated and give you an update on tomorrow on what to look out for. But until then, please be safe out there and make smart decisions, and I'll see you tomorrow.